Yeah, I found a few of them for you. So Gemini Space Station is up 36%. This is the crypto exchange founded by the billionaire twins Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss. The stock is down 47% year to date. So the twins made a $100 million, what they're calling strategic investment into their money-losing crypto exchange. That's how they are. That's cracking up, Tom. That's how they're framing it. So the investment was made at a price of $14 a share of the company's Class A common stock, which, by the way, last traded at around $5.25 a share. With this being paid in Bitcoin, they say they believe the market, is just undervaluing and underestimating their company.
So on a lazy May afternoon at the Duke MBA program, when someone says strategic investment, translate.
Yeah, exactly. But we'll see. These are one of these things Elon Musk and others are saying, let's put our data centers out in space. You don't have to worry about cooling them out there.
Yeah, exactly. But, Gemini went public in September. I was looking back at this. Since the beginning of this year, they've let go of 30% of their staff. Oof. So they've been hit with a lot of the crypto exchanges as Bitcoin, which we know is the bellwether, has taken a big hit. All right, let's move on to ice cream, because it is Friday after all, and it's starting to feel like spring outside. At least I think. I'm afraid to say it out loud. So Magnum Ice Cream shares up 22%, the most since the stock's December listing. Remember, it was spun off from Unilever on three exchanges, the Amsterdam, London, and U.S. exchange. So Magnum Ice Cream trading volume rising to almost 5 times the 20-day average for this time of day right now. To give you an idea of the excitement here, Reuters reporting that private equity firms, including Blackstone, are thinking about making a bid for the ice cream maker. The stock is currently valuing this company at $10.7 billion. And their brands, we all know. I looked into this. Ben & Jerry's, Cornetto, Breyers, and Klondike. Remember?
Yeah, the
Klondike one of those Klondike bars.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. So
good deal.
Reuters says the firms are monitoring, the share price, and they're waiting for summer sales before deciding whether to pursue a bid. I don't know what that means. What do you mean waiting for summer sales? Like ice cream goes on sale?
I don't know what
summer?
percentage you do. Is it like 60, 70, 80% of ice cream sales? I don't know what that number is.
Oh, I get what you're saying.
Yeah.
Not that it's on sale. It's like,
it's like the Christmas selling season for retail.
Thank you for that.
I'm not sure.
I think you're right. All right. Let's move on to Cerebras. Because this
is that
stock,
how you pronounce it?
It is. We checked it out. We called.
Thank you.
How do you like that? Call the company. How do you say your name? Like Cerebral. Yes. So Cerebras shares soaring. They soared 68% in their first day of trading yesterday. And that was after pricing the offering at $185 a share. That was 48% above what the company originally thought it was going to get.
That's a bad
So, Paul,
trade.
is somebody put in the timeout chair if they don't price it somewhat correctly?
Absolutely. Absolutely, in my opinion. Now, a lot of these tech names, they like to see these big pops, but to me, that's too much. That's too many dollars left on the table. Yeah.
So,
but let's be honest. When you come up with a price, it is an agreement between the issuer and the underwriter.
That's right.
So you signed off on it. I signed off on it. But you signed off on it because I, the banker, told you this is the right price.
Yeah.
Most times.
The stock is down about 4% here in the pre-market, so maybe no surprise.
Right.
It is valued at 134 times revenue for the past 4 quarters. Just to put this in perspective, it's more than 5 times NVIDIA's multiple if you use the same metric. And NVIDIA is the leader in that space.